I need more lights in here. So I bought another light because there are surfaces that don't have lights on them yet. And yeah, I'm going crazy. Hey, it's Adam Ward, the LED guy here. And I got this product, which I'm gonna put down there. This is the Govee RGBIC Pro LED light strip. And if you don't know what that means, I'm gonna tell you what it means. RGB stands for red, blue, green. Okay, so each of the little LEDs can put out any combination of red, green, and blue, and basically that equates to about 16 million different colors. I can't distinguish between that many, but that is a ton of colors that it can do. The IC means that it's an integrated circuit, okay, and that the ones in a row, they don't all have to be the same color. So this one and this one can be red, this one and this one can be green, or this one can be blue, yellow, purple, green. And it can play a pattern. So that's what's cool about this. This is the 9.8 foot strip. You can get this at any Walmart. They don't sell this one online. It's compatible with the Smart House. So if you have an Amazon Echo or you have a Google Smart Home, whatever they sell, then you can use it. I use the Echo. I have my entire gaming room hooked up to it. You can control it with the app. The app is absolutely phenomenal. It is the best app out there as far as the LED control. I've used Monster, I've used Lumary, I've used I've used several of them. And the Govee app and the pre-programmed stuff that they come up with is absolutely great. This also does music mode. Okay, so when you're playing your music, you can either have it listen with a microphone or you can have it go off of the device that you're connected to, like if you're playing it through your phone. And essentially an infinite number of DIY options. So let's open it and check out what's inside. So unboxing a Govee strip light is way better than other brand strip lights. They just do a good job with their packaging. They all have that same little circle plastic tape that needs to be cut. Your journey begins now. Every single thing, user's manual, every single thing. This was new to me, this little manual. You can join the Govee community, see what everyone out there is doing. This is a new piece of hardware, or a new piece of literature. This is the strip itself. And then you can see it comes with all the different power cords. Let me sort this out real quick so you can see it better. All of their LED strips come on this coil like this and are very easy to get off of it, very easy to remove the adhesive and get it fixed. You can see the power switch here. You can also control this manually instead of having to use your phone with that switch right there. This is the adhesive. You can do it, use alcohol before you apply it, because it'll clean the surface, and some surfaces are too rough and you need the screws to be able to hold it in place. Here you can see me installing it very quickly. This is on the bottom of the granite. This is it in its install condition. So you can do so much with this LED strip. This is a 10-foot, 9.8 foot LED strip. You can see it goes under the bottom of this. There's all the different colors, all these different modes. It's just a blast.